Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all will all right. Yes. Welcome to Blue Stars Higher Secondary School. Class 7, subject English, topic Gopal Handi Hilsa Fish. In last class, we saw how to write the comprehension, picture comprehension. In today's class, we are going to see the new unit number 3, Prose, Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. In this story, we are going to learn how Gopal overcome his challenges and win the challenges. These are the things we are going to see in this lesson. Yes, let me start. Take page number 36. Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. First, I read the passage and then I explain it. It was the season for Hilsa Fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa Fish. In this passage, they are saying that the season of Hilsa Fish. Hilsa Fish means in that season that fish only available in that place. So, with the Hilsa Fish, the fishermen are very happy because they are not speaking about anything else. They are only speaking about Hilsa Fish. Then fishermen sold nothing but Hilsa Fish. Come buy. The price of Hilsa is down today. In a market, the women are moving and the fisherman was calling a person and saying that the price will become very low today, so you buy Hilsa Fish. Like that the fishermen are saying. Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa Fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? You wouldn't believe it if I told you. In a market, a fisherman and a woman have a conversation. In that conversation, they are asking that what is the price of Hilsa Fish? But the fisherman saying that you won't believe if I say the price of Hilsa Fish. Like that the conversations are going on because it was a season of Hilsa Fish. So everyone was talking about the Hilsa Fish only. And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa Fish. Even in the palace, the courtiers are discussing about the Hilsa Fish only. Yes, what is meant by courtier? Courtier means person who is in attendant at the court of a king. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I thought I was. In this passage, they are saying that even in the king's court, they are talking about Hilsa Fish only. The king was very tired of listening about the Hilsa Fish. Again and again, when he hear the Hilsa Fish, he feel very bad and he feel tired to hear that word. Stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? Then the king got very angry on courtiers and he just said, stop it. You are courtier or a fisherman. Like that the king said. And also the king was so want no more to talk about the Hilsa Fish. The courtier feels silent with downcast eyes. The king felt quiet. The courtiers felt silent with downcast eyes. The king left quickly. I am sorry, lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa Fish and no one. And when the king got very angry, then the courtiers fell down their heads and eyes and become very silent. And then the king moved from that place very quickly. After a few minutes only, king realized and asked sorry to the king, and they are saying that I lost my temper, and he is saying that it's a season, not a big thing. Hilsa fish is in a season. Like that, the king said to their courtiers, not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish. Not even for 5 minutes. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. Then, on the time Gopal came to the palace and meet the king, and he said about the Hilsa fish. Not even a 5 minutes went, but he's talking about Hilsa fish because Gopal did not know what was happened in that palace. He just talking about Hilsa fish. Then let me see you buy a Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. But Gopal was a very clever man, and the king said, even no one should not talk about the Hilsa fish. You should bring the Hilsa fish to the palace. No one should not talk about the Hilsa fish. Like that, the king said, and even the Gopal also accept the challenges too. After accepting the challenges, Gopal went to his home. A few days later, why is your face half shaven? I'm dressing up to buy Hilsa. After a few days went, and his wife asking to Gopal, why are you in half shaven? Half shaven means shaved only one side of the face. Then Gopal's wife asked that, why are you in half shaven? Then the Gopal replied that I am dressing up to buy Hilsa fish. What is meant by dressing up? Yes, dressing up means having proper dress or look. When Gopal replied like that, his wife did not understand what was going on there. He became very confused state. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ashes? I told you I'm dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. His wife became very confused state. So she asked to Gopal what was happening and what's the matter. Why are you smearing yourself like this? And what is meant by smearing? Yes, smearing means sprinkling. He just sprinkling the ashes throughout his body. Then Gopal replied that I already told to you I am dressing up to buy the Hilsa fish. But even Gopal's wife did not understand what was going on and what's the matter. Then, listen to me please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? How many times must I tell you, woman, I am out to buy a huge Hilsa fish? Gopal's wife calling Gopal again and again. He is asking, this is not a good proper dress to go out. Like that she is saying. Here, what is meant by disgraceful? Gopal's wife said again and again, you should not go with the same disgraceful rags. What is meant by disgraceful? Yes, disgraceful means indecent. She did not allow Gopal to go out with this indecent way of dressing. But Gopal replied that, how many times I used to tell to you, I am going to buy a Hilsa fish. Like that Gopal said to his wife, but his wife didn't reply anything. Gopal also went out with that same dress itself. It happened to him, he is gone mad. Then Gopal brought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Mother, look at that man. Is it he comical? I think he is a mystic. He must be a madman. At last, Gopal also went to the market and brought a huge Hilsa fish and he moved to the palace. In that way, a boy and a mother are moving. That boy saying that he is a comical man, like that he is saying. The other person in the same state, they says that I think he is a mystic. Mystic means mysterious person or a saint. Like that the person is saying. The another person is saying that Gopal is a mad person. Then when Gopal reached the court, what do you want? I want to see the king. You can't see the king, get away with you. At last, Gopal went to the court and he is asking to the person who is standing near the gate, what do you want? Like that, he is asking. Gopal replied that I want to see king, but the man said, you can't see the king, you just go away from the court. Like that, the man is said. Then they did not allow the Gopal to go inside the palace. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Then Gopal started singing and dancing in front of the court itself with a loud voice. Gopal was singing with a loud voice because then only they will allow to see the king. So he just danced and sing a song. Inside the palace, the man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king, let me in. Bring that man to me at once. Yes, your majesty. After Gopal shouted like anything. After then, the man went inside the palace and met the king, and he said that a man came with a crazy. He wants to meet. Like that, the man said to the king. After the king replied that, bring that man at once, I want to see him. Like that, the king said to that man. Then the man went outside. Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. Then the Gopal bring to the king, and the peoples are standing near the king. They are saying that it's Gopal. Like that they are saying, and some of them also saying that I think it is one of the craziest joke of Gopal. Like that they are saying in that palace. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Your majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Then the king surprised to see that is Gopal, and he is asked that why are you dressed up with this ridiculous fashion? What is meant by ridiculous fashion? Yes, ridiculous fashion means funny. Like that the king asked, but the Gopal replied that king, you are forgotten something. Like that the Gopal replied, strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. Then the king asked the Gopal, why you dressed up like this? The Gopal replied that you are forgotten one thing. Like that the Gopal said. But even though the king did not remember himself, he forgotten that. Then Gopal said that I win the challenge, and I brought the Hilsa fish from market to the palace, even in the court inside, but no one talked about the Hilsa fish. All the humans are talked about myself. And also Gopal said, not even a soul talk about the Hilsa fish. Like that the Gopal said to the king. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Ha ha! Well, Gopal, congratulations! You have achieved the impossible once again. After then only the king remembered about the challenges given to the Gopal. That is, the Gopal should bring the Hilsa fish from market to the palace. Then the king congratulated the Gopal for his clever minded, and no one talked of Hilsa fish that day because the man carrying the fish seemed more important. This was the story, students. I hope you all will understand the story and enjoyed the story. Yes. Through this story, what we should understand? Yes, we should understand that there is no impossible thing in this earth. Everything is possible, and we can do anything in this world with our crazy mind. That's all, students. I hope you all will understand the story. And also we attached a link. You just go into that link and watch that for your better understanding. Yes. Is today we saw a beautiful prose lesson. In tomorrow we will saw the how to write classwork note for this lesson. Yes. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.